Okay, I looked online. I've got a Dyson V8 Absolute, and we're having some problems with it pulsing. Now, I'd seen numerous people talk about taking this filter out and washing it, and we did that, and it worked better. It didn't pulse after that. But then it started pulsing again. I cleaned it, I washed it, and it still was pulsing. I even took it out altogether, put my hand on the top of it, and it would pulse. Taking the hand off and it wouldn't. So then I decided to start taking it apart, and I realized on the nozzle that in here was jam-packed full of more paper than this. This is paper shreddings from the office. And not only was it jammed there, it was jammed up in here. And I'm going to put it back together. I'll show you if it works. Alright, here we go. It works. So there you go, another video for the Dyson collection to look for clogged up paper or debris in the intake nozzle to the drum area. So thanks for watching.